Hey everybody, it's Matt from Wackey Worx. We're going to do a shop update. Never done one of those, but I think it's time. Uh, Last month I went to Jake Thompson's shop, and that was a great experience. I've never been to anybody else's shop before ever. And so we went to his shop. We helped him build a resin room out there. Him and David from Texas TX Woodworks. Check him out. I'll have a link to him down below, as well as Jake's. I'll have Jake's video up here, whatever side it gets on over here, and I'll put a link to his video. The shop build, an amazing time. Had a great time working with other woodworkers, and just their thought processes was amazing. So my last two videos were on. I had one with my daughter that I did turning. She turned most of the outside. And then my last one is the video that I did with Jake Thompson. I installed a AC unit in his shop. Again, that was an amazing time. We had a great time there installing that. My next video will be on the Harbor Freight dust collector. My upgrades I've done to it. I've done a bunch to it already, but I got one more upgrade to do. I'm also going to get into some more flat work. I'll be probably doing some cutting boards pretty soon. I also got some big plans for the chop saw station. I don't know when I'm going to be able to get into it with the prices of lumber right now, but that's one of the main projects that's on the hot plate for me. We'll also be doing a table pretty soon. It's more of a desk. We're going to do a big resin pour on it. It'll be a live edge in the center with...
Ooh, now that you said it on the video, it has to happen.
It's one of the things I've been procrastinating about. I've been worried about getting it all right. But we got the live edge sitting up there. And I think that's one of the things that we're going to get started on. Well, guys, that's about all I got on this one. We'll wrap this thing up. If you like what you see, hit that little subscribe button, that notification bell so you can see upcoming things. You can check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Wackey Worx. Y'all have a good one now.